Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're going to make some creamy garlic chicken with Parmesan Bowtie pasta. So let's get started. I'm going to put a tablespoon of olive oil in my pan, which is already hot. I've got a pound of chicken here. Okay, now that our chicken's nice and brown, I'm going to pour that out of the pan. And I'm going to use the same pan and get all this brown flavor off the bottom. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in there. If you were using fresh garlic, you could use about 4 cloves. I'm going to use this garlic paste. You don't want that to burn, so just move that around. And we're going to add some chicken broth, about 3 cups. One of these containers has about 4 cups in it, so I'm going to use 3/4 of it. Then we're going to put in a cup of heavy cream. And we're going to cook the pasta right in this sauce, so the pasta won't just taste like plain pasta that's been cooked in water. It'll be really flavorful. I'm going to put some Italian seasoning in there and a little bit of red pepper flakes. Not a lot, but a little. Put some salt in there. And once this comes to a simmer, I'm going to put the pasta in there. Okay, now that our liquid came to a boil, we're going to put our Bowtie pasta in there. That's 12 ounces. We're going to cover this and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so the noodles are most of the way cooked. They're just finishing up cooking. They actually took a little longer than I thought. It took about 14 minutes. You know, if they were boiling in a big pot of water, they would probably cook a little faster, but this took about 14 minutes. So I'm going to put our chicken back in there. I'm going to put some parsley in there. And I'm going to put 3/4 cup of Parmesan. Okay, it's done. It's going to thicken up just a little bit in about 5 minutes, and then I will serve it up. Okay, it's ready. Okay, so there we go. It's finished. I just tasted it. It's delicious. I'm going to put the recipe in the description, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.